All right. Once again, you are welcome to this call. My name is Olushola Popola, chartered accountant, investment advisor, and also a life coach. And I'm so excited to have you here. For most of us, one of the things that you had us say was that you need to really, really look at what you are thinking about. What is that thing that is going on in your mind part time as we are looking at moving ahead in the year 2021. And good to say it, we are in the third month, and I'm so glad to know that in the third month is when you are getting that connection with Rich Vision. And with this connection, I can assure you, if you will listen to people who are getting results, you will also get results. We always define success as a progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Now, what you want here is to be successful. You've heard that people are successful in this, people are successful in that. Now, I have two categories of persons on this call. Some who want to learn the skill of trading. Some who want to learn, how do I trade? I want to be able to do this thing myself. That's one category. Now, the second category is that category that says, oh, I know this training is good, but I'm so busy. Can somebody just help me with it? So whichever one you fall in, I want to tell you, you are welcome. You are in the right place. But then, why did we start this? Why is Rich Vision doing this? We said free training. And by the way, just like you know, we always wanted to start for 8, but because of that mix-up, we always want to do that 8 to 9, 1 hour solid training session, such that after 1 week, every basic thing that you need to know about the international money market, you are going to know. We will teach you all the basics that you need to know, such that when you go out there, when you begin to get materials, you will know that, okay, this is what I should be looking out for. Let me tell you, the Forex market, the Forex market, the stock market, the international money market has made a lot of people millionaires. That's why I showed us that video at the beginning. You hear of these guys in South Africa. All these guys are making a kill, making good money, sitting down in the comfort of their home, making good money as traders. Initially, some of us thought, oh, this is not possible. But over the period of time, we came to know that, yes, it is possible, but it's dependent on under whose tutelage are you, who trained you, who taught you. The person that taught you, is that person successful or not? So how successful your teacher is might determine or go far in how successful you become. You know, when you were in school, you could learn in school. If the teacher is not good, it takes an exceptional student to become better. But in life, in real life, you know, when we were growing up, they told us don't copy anybody, don't copy, make sure you do your own thing and things. But as adults, for you to become successful, you are told to copy, but make sure you copy right. Who are you copying? Whose steps are you following? So, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to be rest assured that with Rich Vision, you are going to attain that goal, but then it takes time. It takes time. It takes time. There's no free lunch anywhere. You must be ready to commit yourself to learning. When you learn, Learn, when you learn, if you remove L from learn, you get earn. For you to earn, you must learn. For you to earn, you must do what? You must learn. So if you are ready to learn, then you are in the right place. This is Rich Vision Academy. If you are ready, can you just type, I am ready? Just type, I am ready. If you are ready to go along with us. For many of us, it will be a mentorship session with our organization. We provide that mentorship for you. Type it in the chat box. I want to be sure that you are following me, you are hearing me. Type, I am ready. Type, I am ready. I am ready. Awesome, 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 awesome. Great. Yeah. Great, 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 great. Okay. So tonight, my principal duty tonight is to show us the power the potential of the Forex market. The potential of the Forex market. Now, I will be saying Forex, but please note, we are going to be dealing with everything because we promised you how to trade cocoa, how to trade sugar, how to trade wheat. Everything we are going to be showing you. Principles are the same thing. Methodology might be different. So we are going to show you the basic principles of trading all these important markets in the global financial market. So when you get to know one, the principle you get in one will help you in understanding the other parts of this market. But just like I said, and as I will always say, you have to go beyond the lessons in this class. Because, okay, in the class here, we will try to give you the best, but you too know that 1 week may not be enough. A week may not be enough to show you everything that this market entails. So, but first, the people I want to quickly address so that I can show you what the power, the potential of this market before I go into those areas. Because, you know, I said something, people that will help you to become successful must be people who are successful. Are they doing it? And are they doing it right? So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to share a screen with you. I want to share a screen with you so that we can, let me see this great. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm always excited when I have people around us who want to learn this skill. The more people that we have in this country that understand how to use this skill, the better for our nation. I tell you, you may not understand what I'm saying, but as many people that can win, let's win together. Now, quickly, I want to show you something here. For those of you that are on the call, the first category of set of people that I said, let me show you the power of this market by showing you what we call our copy trade platform. Our copy trade platform. Because I think that's the best place to start so that, yeah, you people are talking, result. Can you show me the results? Is it really working? Are people truly making something out of this? Wow, let me show you this. Let me take up a new, let me close all these and come up so that you don't say maybe I studied somewhere. Now, if you look at this place, when you say Forex Time is one of the brokers. Now, you are going to be learning more about who a broker is and all this stuff. I think by tomorrow, we're going to be showing you more of that. But for me tonight, I just want to show you the power of trading this market. So here, I just want to log in to an account. One of the people that came just like you, and this person connected to our trading platform. Just like I told you, FXTM is a trading platform that they have what do they call it? They are called the brokers. They are called the brokers. I'm going to show you something here. Okay. Now look at this. This person had us just like you about maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. And this person said, I want to be part of this. Can you see something here? This Rich Akada. And when you see anything you are seeing here is not demo. This is real. At the back office, this is FXTM, Forex Time. Forex Time is an international company located in Lagos and different parts of Nigeria, and people are trading on their platform. So we are using them presently as our brokers. Now, look at this. Let's look at this. This person, I'm going to show you, look at, if you come here, for those of you that will do the copy trade, this is what you will see. Let me come to, I think it's my money here. Let's see something here, transaction history. Anyone that will help you to become successful should be successful in what is doing. Now, look at this. Guarantee Trust Bank. This person transferred $209 on the 5th of February. 5th of February. This 5/2/2021 by 2:11 p.m. Now, the person now connected to our strategy account. I want you to follow me. I'm on live account, so follow, please. Now, this person connected to our investment, what they call it an investment, what we call a copy trade. This 209.64, 22 on the 22nd of February 2021, 22nd of February. All right, that's when this person transferred this money to the, you can see internal transfers. All right, okay, now I haven't seen that. Let's see what now happened. He transferred it to our strategic trader, the people that are going to be training you, the people that are going to be training you in this 1 week. They are the ones trading with our algorithm on this platform. So let me click on my money and I click on account overview. All right, I click on account overview. Anyone that will teach you to be successful should be successful in that field. Now, can you see something here? Account number. You see that is that same number? Let's go here. You can see this money now is now 238. How did it become 238? I click on this and I click on account details. When I click on account details, just look at this. The total of this person's money is $238. $238. This person started with 209. I want you to note that. It started with $209. $209. All right. Now, between that 22nd and now, the person has done $28. Ladies and gentlemen, can somebody just put a calculator, take a calculator and do 28.9. I want you to do something quickly, please. Let's look at that. 28.9. 28.9 divided by 209. Can somebody do that, please? 209.6. Do 28. This 20. We want to look at the percentage growth. 28.9. 28.9 divided by 209.6. You know, the person started with 209.6. Let me see if I can do that so that our time is not taken on this. That's 228.9 divided by 209.6. Wow, voila. I have here times 100. That gives me 13.7%. Anybody got that? So that I'm not the only person playing with this figure. This is 13.7%. Now, within how many days? I'm showing you. My job here is to show you the power of this industry, what you can achieve in this industry. Now, look at this. Look at when this person started. Please pay attention here. On the 20, can you see 22nd of February? 22nd of February. Oh, a total of $5.212 was made. The second day, a minus 2.28. You know, when we say life is profit and loss, some people don't ever want to hear loss. They just want to hear only profit. Your life cannot be balanced like that. God did not design it like that. You understand? He said, sowing time and harvest time, one season must come. Are you there? Now, look at, by the next time, this 23rd, all right? The 24th, look at $11.65 was made. The next day, 2.52, 7.49. This period, this space shows the weekend, and this is 4.4. How many days of trade? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6 days of trading, this investment has increased by 13%. Ladies and gentlemen, will you keep your money in the bank and it will give you this? That means if this person had put in $1,000 US, 1,000 US dollars, that multiply, what is 13% of 1,000? That is $130. If this person had put in $10,000, that means this person will have made about that's $1,300. Whatsoever the person has put, just multiply it. Ladies and gentlemen, if what you are hearing right now is making sense to you, just type I hear you. Just type, I hear you. Just type, I hear you, or I see you. Just put anyone there. Put it in the chat box. I want to be sure that you are getting this. I don't want to confuse you. Tonight, our goal is to show you the power, the power. A lot of people will tell you that they've not been successful. A lot of people will tell you that, no, people fail. I'm not arguing with you that people fail. People do fail. People lose money. But then, who is the person that is hand holding you to success? Do you understand? And do you know the beauty of this? We don't even collect money from you. We don't collect money from you. Where is your money located? Let me show you this, because I want to go into those, because there are some people who want to learn how to really, really trade. The people. Now, look at this. Look at this. There are so much more we'll be explaining in the course of the week. So look at this. This person here, if this person says, this profit that we have made, I want to take my money now. I want to take my money now. No story, no kaza for anywhere. Instantly, I can click on withdraw. If I click on withdraw here, I can withdraw this money and it hits my bank within 24 hours. Look at this. I like, see, withdraw a partial amount of this. Say, I like to withdraw part of my account equity. Fine. If you want to withdraw part of your money, no problem. If you want to withdraw all, I like to withdraw all my funds and close the account. If I click here now, boom, look at this. You know, some people will say when they make the profit, me, I will just go and withdraw my money so that before they remove their own share, I will remove my own money. Even if you go and do it in the midnight, no problem. See, the system is programmed. It will give us our own portion. You take your own portion. And I will still tell you something about this one. What is considered our own portion? We even give it out. But now is not the time for me to explain all those. Do you understand? So, but I'm just showing you that every good system must have free entry and free exit. Free entry and free exit. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the power of this market. This is part of what you can experience in this market. One more thing that I'm going to show you here, that in this market, we so much believe in the power of compounding. When you say something is compounding, I'm going to show you a compounding table that I will wish for you to see, so that you can see why you need to learn this skill. Why do you need to learn this skill? Let's look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, please, my target, remember, my target is tonight. We'll go into technical things, but tonight is not about technicalities. There are a lot of people that came on this call. This is their first time. They've never done this before. And you've been hearing what you have been hearing about is the negative aspect. It's not working. Oh, people lose money and things. That's what you hear. My duty here tonight is to make sure to reframe your mind. I told you what you listen to, who you listen to, what you see will determine what you think. If your thinking is failure, no matter what we tell you tonight about this business, no matter what we tell you, your mind will be on that man that did not pass. That's Baba Jinadu that loses money. That's how Lekan put his 1 million. He lost all his money. Even me, 2008, I gave somebody 3 million. He lost the money. And that's the thing that will be in your head. But the better, I want to show you results so that you can have he said, be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind. My process this night is to help you renew your mind. Now, look at this. Look at what I've shown you. See what I've shown you. Do you realize something? That account has grown by 2% on daily for every day. Do you realize that that's what has happened? 2%. The banks will not give you more than 5% per annum. The banks, you will not get more than 5% per annum. Now, let's look at somebody who started with, okay, I told you that this person started with $209, right? This $209, right? Let's say at the end of this month, we always tell people that we do between 5 to 20% on monthly basis. Is that not what we say? We say we do between 5 to 20%. But now look at, this person started with $209. The first month is supposed to end with 234. Did you see 234 here? Did you see 234 here? Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to please follow me. Follow me. Do you see this place? Already in the month, this one is not up to 1 month already. This account is on 238. Please follow and see the power of this market. Ladies and gentlemen, If this is not exciting to you, I don't know what else will. Now, let me go back to that table. Let me go back to that table, my income calculation table. Look at this. With this one, 209, if this is how the money grows, by time, okay, because we have a profit sharing ratio when we trade and we make money, we share the profit 60-40. But after our 40%, because you are having 60%, because you say, you people just doing it for free. Yes, we are doing it practically for free, because even the 40% we say we are sharing, there's a way we are giving it out to you. Now, look at this. So look at this, 234. The next month, we do another 20%. The profit sharing ratio took place. This money grew to 262. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. In the next 12 months, I don't know where you are going to put your money in this year. In the next 12 months, your $200 without lifting a single finger, but by connecting to the professionals, look at what your income has turned to. Now, what of that fellow that starts with $1,000? Can you imagine this? Look at this fellow, $1,000. Look at the power. I'm showing you the power of this market. Without you lifting a single finger, by you copying professionals, look at what this money has turned to, about 3,800. So for you that want to be part of our students, okay, somebody saying the audio is not, I think others are hearing, I can see. All right, so look at, this is what you can do. So for you that want to learn the skill, we will teach you. We have an advanced class where we will teach you even more basic things that you too, you can get this kind of result on monthly basis. Are you getting? So this is what you are coming into. I did something first. I showed you a live one. I showed you one that is currently going on so that you will know that this thing has its potential. That's what I showed you here, that this is an account that was connected to us just last week, Monday. And as of today, this account is already on $238. And I now showed you the table. I showed you the potential, the table potential here, what I call your projection, what you can be looking at if I learn this skill, or even before I learn, if Rich Vision is doing it on my behalf, this is what my money can be. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is this. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I believe if this what you have seen, if you think is good, if this is good, if it's good, maybe we can even wrap up the lecture from there. But if it's good or very good, just type it in the chat box. Is it good? So now, for those of you that want to learn it, you want to learn the skill. Do you think this is a good skill that you want to learn? And for those of you that are thinking of investment, do you think it's a good one? Type it good or very good. Put it there. Is it good or very good? Which one? You that want to learn, is it a good skill that you can learn and grow your money like this? Or you that want to invest, is it? Okay. All right. I can see everybody is saying very good, very good, very good. Okay. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to go into, because one, for you to say you want to trade, for you to be having return on investment on trading, one big mistake that a lot of people do as far as investment is concerned is that they don't even understand what they are using their money for. Hello. A lot of people go into investment without understanding what are they using this money for. If somebody had told me that they will use my money and make 20% in a month, man, what are you doing? Even banks are not giving that. What are you going to do? Is it Yahoo or what? Do you understand? So you should have an idea. You might not be an expert. It's not every one of us there that is going to be an expert in this, but have an idea. Many people, they just say they are making money somewhere. They give you 20% every month. That company is giving you 50% every month. And you say, hey, all your gratuity, all your bobo, you pack everything and go and put it there, boom. Then one day will come, they will begin to tell you stories that touch the heart. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, in Rich Vision, as I told you, we don't take money from you. You fund your own account, you fund your trading account. We don't even want to see your money. We don't want to see your money. Connect your money. Anytime you want to take it, take it. Anytime you want, just do. The only thing is we want to help you. We told you we are opening our book down. It's like exam. Children in exam. I open my book down. Oh yeah, come and copy. Come and copy. That's what I'm doing. Me, I'm a trader. As I'm trading, I say come and copy. I have not said 20% is constant though. I have not said 20% is constant. We always tell our members, we do between 5 to 20% for our students. As you are learning from us, we do between 5 to 20%. Do you understand? You said, can't somebody make 50%? Ungwano, go and do it. You see, these are part of the things we are going to talk here in this class now. These are part of the things that we are going to talk. It's not, you can do 50%. You can, when we finish teaching you or you what you know, go and do the 50%. But we tell you 50% of what? If you grow your money by 10%, please have the rich man's mentality. I've ever gone to meet somebody, we were discussing, and this rich man wanted to put $100,000. And I told the guy, I said, we are going to be doing close to 10% every month. And the man said, Shola, 10% is too much. Can you people be consistent with 5% in a month? He said, can you people be consistent with 5% in a month? That's the thinking of the rich. That's the thinking of the rich. If you want to do 50% in one day. So now let's go into the training. Let's go into the training for those people that will do this. Okay, now, what is it that we are training about? Where are we or how are we making this money in this market? What are the things that we are trading? Is it bets? Are we betting? Or what? Is it gambling? Now, I'm going to show you something else now. And this is what will take me to, take me to showing you the, let me share this again. Let me share this. Let's go to the charts here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. I'm going to be very, very fast so that we can have enough time for questions and answers. For those of us that want to learn, and for those of you that want to invest, this is what we are going to be doing. This is where we make all this money from. Everything, all these lines that you see here, they are money lines. They are what? Money lines. Okay. I'm going to let me just so that it will be clear. I will do something quickly. Just see something. Remember, my job today is just to show you the power of trading. But now, okay, let me just show you this. The power. And I believe even if we stop it here, some of you you've already seen it that yes, this works. This works. All right. Okay. So I just want to show you this. I will show you different things that we do. Just a minute. My view. Toolbar. Got the standard. Okay. I got the charts. Sorry. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is something that you should learn. Did we learn it in one day? The trainers that you will see and you will meet, all the faculties in Rich Vision, most of them spent a couple of months, years learning this skill. And will it pay off? Yes, it will surely pay off. It will surely pay off. All right. So I know there are some of you here that you are conversant with this. Now, when we talk about this, I want you to look up. Look up now, ladies and gentlemen. Look up now. You see this thing, they tell you this is candles and things. So we hear a little bit of them tomorrow and things. But I want to show you what you can do on this. Look at this place. Let me pull this to this side here. You can see something here. This is USD GBP USD. If I say what is GBP USD, at least we know it's pounds versus US dollar. Euro USD, that's European dollar, Euro versus US dollar. USD JPY, United States dollar versus Japanese yen, and so on. Then you look at this USD CHF. I think it's a USD dollar versus Chinese CH. CH is something. Chinese, Abi? Ladies and gentlemen, that was what I saw. I'm sure many of you too, when I showed that CH, your mind went to Chinese something, that one must be Chinese something. Well, it is not Chinese. It is what? It is called Swiss francs. It's USD versus what? Swiss francs. I mean, you know, when the first time I was teaching people this thing, I called it USD versus Chinese something. Do you understand? But I tell you, over the period of time, you're going to understand all this terminology. Now, these are the currencies. When you talk of currencies, these are the currencies. Various. I've never been to Australia, but I trade the Australian dollar. I don't even know how their dollar looks like, but on my laptop, in the comfort of my home, I trade it using this chart. You can see I have AUD US, AUD NZD here. Can you see? If I want AUD JPY, I drag this one here and I have AUD JPY. I can trade the Japanese yen just from the comfort of my home. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you that are professionals already, that are already doing it, please don't mind us. In Rich Vision, we always like to take, especially the people, or maybe I'm wrong. Let me ask in the chat box here, if you are a JJC or you think I'm too slow, let me ask, if you are a JJC, this is the first time you are coming across this, or this is the first time you are having real lectures as per this stuff, can you just type JJC? Just type JJC. If you are, let me know, so that if I have more professionals in the class, then I can scale it up. But if you are okay with this trend I'm trying to show you this, just put JJC. Oh, Colin said I'll be JJC. Okay, just put it in the chat box. Okay, Shaban said JJC, Afra said JJC. Yes, let's see. Okay, great. Wow. Okay, so that means I'm not wrong. I'm not wrong with my assumption, because our target is to start with people who know nothing about this. Okay, let me see. Maybe if you have been on the market, if you have been trading, you can just put trader. If you have been trading, just put trader. If you have been trading, I don't mean you are trading demo, I mean you are trading real money. Francisca said we are all JJC. Okay, I know. Akira said he's making dollars already. He's a trader here already. All right. Okay, so you can see why we need to go just out of the whole bunch. I'm just seeing only one trader and the open. So I think we are going in the right direction. Okay, let's go, my JJC friends. Don't worry. One day you are putting yourself as a professional. All right, let's now look at this. These are the things that we are trading, all right? These are the things. Now, some of you will say, hey, but you told us we can trade sugar, we can trade cocoa, we can trade this. Okay, apart from the currencies, you see, when what we are all doing is we buy low, we sell high. When these things are going up, we buy. When they are coming down, we sell. That's all we are doing, looking at the prices and economic situation of different countries. But that's not my job tonight, just to show you the power. So here, I want to see what other things can we trade? What other things can we trade in this market? So I want to click on these symbols. On symbols, I will click on this. I want to see, look at this, gold, silver, oil. Can you see that? Oil. If I click on this gold, I click on this is gold versus euro, this gold versus USD, and so on like that. The other one that I want to silver, I told you you can trade silver, and I told you also You can trade oil and gas. Look at Brent. You want to trade Brent, then WTI, the US oil. You can also trade it on this. Oh, does this one? Oh, okay. Wow. This chart does not have my. Oh, sorry. Okay, but no problem. There are some of my broker platform that I have the commodities. We call those things the commodities. We call them the commodities, where you see soya beans. Don't worry, tomorrow or thereabout, we show you all those stuff. Where we see soya beans, coffee, sugar. Now, let's look at the oil. I want to show you something. Many of us, when they say Nigeria economy is, Nigeria was in recession, but suddenly they said, Nigeria is no longer in recession. What happened? Which magic happened in the market? Okay, we're going to show you this. Let me show you, let me use let me show you this. Let me use WTI. Okay. All right. Now, I will change this thing to daily. Each of these candles here represents 1 day. It represents 1 day. When I change it to daily, each candle represents 1 day. And if you come to this side, can you see? Let me show you. Let me put this cross here. If you come to this side is telling you the price of oil. The price of oil. Can you see? At the time, when it was low, 34, 36, 30, 40, and currently the oil is now $60 per barrel. This is why you hear that, oh, Nigeria is no longer in recession. Did you get that? Including some other economic factor. How many of you remember during the time of COVID? During the time of COVID, that April, sometimes April last year, were you aware that the oil price internationally went as low as hitting, look at, it went as low as this, $3. It was almost zero to the barrel. When, because nobody was carrying anything. Now, look at, some of us sat down in our houses and we were able to see that, except rapture don't happen, except something don't happen, whether end of world don't come, as long as this coronavirus will go away, the price of oil must rise. And ladies and gentlemen, did it rise? Yes, it began to rise. It began to rise. Look at, this is April. Look at the calendar here, April 2020. And look at, this is May. By the time we got to July, it was already stabilizing at $41. Can you see it? Now, let's go. Look at something. Suddenly, look at in the month of October. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to, if you understand this market, you will understand Nigeria economy. Remember when they started saying Nigeria was going into recession, when it was during what? Was it not around October last year? Was it not last quarter of last year? And look at what happened. The price of oil dropped to $36. Anytime the price of oil comes as low as $34, $36, this country, because it is essentially dependent on oil, it will tend towards, and they'll tell you there are other economic factors and this, all those ones are grammar. We are seeing it here. Are you there? We are seeing it here. But look at the moment the price went up again, voila, they told us we are out of recession, the indices. But somebody tells us we are not totally out of the woods. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know whether you are enjoying this. And can you say that you can look at even Nigeria economy from this? So tell me, as a trader, how will this economy meet you by surprise? How will it meet you by surprise? That's why, as a trader, when others are saying, oh, there's a casting down, if you are a trader, you'll be saying there's a lifting up. That's provided you know what you are doing. Do you understand? You have to understand it. You have to know it. When you know it, you will be successful in it. Ladies and gentlemen, Apart from that, there are tools, there are additional tools that we have that we use to trade the market. Now, in this market, you see, in when I'm saying the market, that chart that I showed you is the market. Oh. That chart, that is the market. We are not going to Igbo, we are not going to Area, we are not going to Wuse market, we are not going to Kaswa Birchi or Greek Kaswa. It is this, that chart is the market. You are going there to buy and to sell. If I buy, who will sell it? Look, this market is worth about 7.5 trillion US dollars. Hear me once again. It is worth 7.5 trillion US dollars per day. Per day. Per day. You know, some people don't understand when you say trillion. People don't understand what trillion is. A million gone. Billion. Our people have spoiled billion that you don't even appreciate what billion is. I was sharing with some people. I said, for you to understand the power of this market, if you understand what 1 billion is, because some people say when all of us are making money, what will happen? Will the money not finish? If all of us are making money, will the money not finish? Now, let me show you something. Do you know, if you take your calculator now, if you take 1 billion naira, I want you to type 1 billion. 1 billion. If you type 1 billion, all right? 1 billion is with 9 zeros. 9 zeros. 1 billion is 9 zeros. Do you know that if you spend, let's say, divide this 1 billion by 100,000 naira, by 100,000, that will give you 10,000. Now, if, let's say, Mr. Adeyemi that is listening to me now, he has a beautiful daughter and he has 1 billion naira in his account. He has been praying God for a daughter, and then suddenly God answered the prayer and he gave birth to a baby girl. And he said, because what God has done for me, I am going to be giving out 100,000 naira every day from this my 1 billion naira. I'm going to give out 100, is 100,000 naira small money? 100,000 naira every day. Do you know what? This man, he will stay at the upstairs of his house and be sharing 100,000 every morning. He will say, thank you, God, for giving me a beautiful daughter. Bam, he will throw the money downstairs. Are there people to pick it or not? People know that Baba Olowo will come and throw money. He's still doing Thanksgiving of his daughter. So the moment he throws that money, do you know how many years he's going to do it? 1 billion naira. Share it every day. When you share it every day, it will give you about 10,000 days. Divide 10,000 days, divided by 365. That gives you 27 years. That means if you spend 100,000 naira every day for 27 years, that is, you have just spent 1 billion naira. So when the girl is about going to marry, the husband will say, Daddy is always throwing money outside there. What is happening? He said, my daddy is still doing Thanksgiving of my naming ceremony. Do you understand? I'm trying to show you the power of a billion naira. A billion naira. Now, a billion, when we say $1 billion, is 470 naira times 1 billion. That's 470 billion naira. That's what we are talking about. Now, when you are now talking about trillion, a trillion is 1 billion. 1 billion times 1,000. Now, this market is not 1 trillion, it is 7 trillion per day. 7 trillion per day. Do you know how Forex is traded? The man going to China, the man going to, if you want to go and buy some things in the US now, you can't get to the US and spend naira. You have to spend dollars. I remember traveling out one day to a country, and when I got to that, to the hotel, five-star hotel for that matter, I removed my, I removed my money from my wallet. I remove 1,000 naira and I put on the table. The lady said, excuse me, what was this? I said, money. He said, well, I understand. I said, it's money. Can't you read it? This is 1,000 naira. He said, but this, which country is this? I said, it's Nigerian naira. He said, oh, sorry. We only accept dollars. I said, dollars? Why would you accept naira? Ladies and gentlemen, so dollar is an international. So if I'm to go to any country, I'll be talking about spending dollars. If I go to Benin Republic, I can't spend naira. I will spend their own CFAs. If I go to Ghana, I will spend cedis. So as I'm speaking to you now, right now, foreign exchange, we are not just talking of the people trading on the platform. There are some people that are moving goods from Dubai to Nigeria. Currencies will change hand. And that is why banks, you see the banks are so big on Forex. One of the biggest things that the banks are doing is Forex. So when people tell you that Forex is risky, let me tell you this. It is the conspiracy of the rich against the poor. Conspiracy of the rich against the poor. This is where the rich make their money. Every rich man, they enjoy benefits of the exchange. Dangote enjoys it. Warren Buffett enjoys it. All the top guys enjoy it. So when currencies are moved, when goods are moved from one country to another, the central banks, the financial institutions of those countries, they exchange currencies. That is what you call foreign exchange. When you hear forex, foreign exchange. Any money that is not your current country's money is foreign to you. So when you exchange naira for dollar, that is foreign exchange. But then there are people who now trade it. You trade it to take advantage based on what is happening in the US. I know US dollar is going to be strong. So I want to buy, I want to sell, because depending on the country that I'm matching it with. So these are just the basic things. So don't be scared when the people tell you about this. And then the next thing I want to talk to you about is that, but if this thing is as good as you are saying it, I'm sure somebody will be saying, hey, why are people losing money? In fact, I gave somebody 1 million naira, he lost all the money. In fact, I know one company that was collecting money from people and they lost all money. In fact, they can't pay the people again, and this and that. You have different stories and different experiences. It is true, and I agree with you. But do you know what? Do you agree with me that if you break the law, you will get into trouble? There are principles that guide every business. There are principles that guide every business. A lot of people, when they go into trading the international markets, most people don't get enough knowledge. They don't get enough learning. Oh, they are making money. That's all they hear. They are making money. That's all they hear. And because they hear they are making money, you know, it's just like in Nigeria. You see, I don't know those of you that have engaged these artisans that do this, what is it? That do tiling or POP, tiling or POP. Do you understand? Have you noticed that there are some people they call the Egun people, Egun or something? You know, the Kutonu boys. Have you realized that most of them are better than our guys when it comes to this thing? Floor tiling and this? That's the truth. You can't argue with it. Now, why? Do you know that? And then, okay, that one might be extreme. You know, let me come down. At least we know a group of people in Nigeria. We call them the Igbo guys, all right? The men from the East. If you're an Igbo man here, Igbo Kweno. If you're an Igbo man here, Igbo Kweno. Wow, my time is up. If you're an Igbo man here, Igbo Kwenu. All right. Now, the Igbo man, we all know that they are more astute in business than most parts of more than other people, other parts in the world, all right, in Nigeria. Now, why are they more, enterprising? This boy will come from the village. When he comes from the village to Lagos, He will go and stay under a master. He will stay under a master. You will see the boy when we go to buy stationaries, and you see the boy. What is it? Milo Bonfita. You will see the boy, small boy. He will stay with that master. You too. You will know that boy when he was small, and over time, this boy will grow, 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 grow. He will stay with that master for about 6 to 10 years at times. 6 to 10 years. And after that, the initial time, they will send him to be cleaning the shop. After sometimes, he will start collecting money. After sometimes, they'll be sending him to buy the goods. After sometimes, he'll be traveling outside Lagos to go and buy the goods. And, gradually until the time he graduates, they will now do freedom for him. He will start with a small shop. And from that small shop, you will see Nnamdi, his shop has become very big. Oh my God. But let us look at Lekan, the man from Southwest. He went to learn the same business. The moment he has spent 6 months with that person, his mother will call him, Lekan, how many months have you spent with your guy? 6 months. Hope you are not blind. No, mommy. And you are not deaf. No, mommy. Don't you see what they are doing in the shop? You say, yes, I see. Can't you start your own? He said, can't you start your own? He said, okay, the next thing, he go and start his own. And by the time he starts his own, because he has no basic experience, what happens? His friend will come, oh boy, say, I don't open shop, boy, you go say, you go wash him, you go wash him, you go open mineral for this one, open mineral for this one, open mineral, and he will use all his profit to open mineral. That person is not trained. What we're going to be doing in Rich Vision, we are going to be helping you. If you are ready to learn, if you are ready to stay with us, if you are ready to stick around with us, if you are ready to go through our professional classes and things, I tell you, we will teach you everything that is helping us by the grace of God to make this kind of profit. I just don't, if time permits, even if time permits, I won't show you too much of accounts anyway. You understand? But look at that account. That account, this, I can open several other accounts. You see the account started from this, from 209, within the period of 6 days, has grown to this. How do we do this? By next week also, after this 1 week of training, for those of you that want to go further, we have our advanced class. But before we talk about the advanced class, let's teach you the basic thing so that anywhere, anytime, you can know, even if anybody wants to train you, you can know whether you are being taught the right thing or not. Remember, people that we help you to become successful are people that are successful themselves. So what we have just done tonight is just to show you the power of trading, what the potential that it has, and what you can achieve with it if you are ready to learn, or you are ready to copy the professionals. So ladies and gentlemen, let me quickly see whether there are 1 or 2 questions that we can just address. For tomorrow, by the grace of God, we're going to be having a man that has been in the trading industry for a couple of years. As a matter of fact, he has been in the banking sector for over 25 years. For about 25 years. And he did not just work in the bank, he worked in the treasury department where they talk about Forex, where they deal with Forex. I get it. So he's going to be taking us on the training tomorrow. Please, I don't want you to miss that tomorrow's class. We'll be going into a little bit deeper things. Oh, how do you measure the thing? What is a PIP? How do you measure profit? What are the tools that we use? Excuse me. What are the tools that we use and everything? You are going to be shown. And then, please, why are the red digits turning to blue? When they are red digits, maybe they are in what we call a drawdown. When they are in red digits, it's a drawdown. When it is now going in the direction of a trader, it changes to blue. That means it is in profit. All right. Somebody said, I enjoyed the training. Thanks. Thank you very much. Gideon Additional said, what time? Please, the training is 8 p.m. Today we started maybe something. We were supposed to start at 8, but because of the mix-up. All right. Why will I lose? Patrick said, why will I lose all my investments? Where? In this place? No, you will. Oh, okay. Why do people lose their investment? All right. On our platform, by Friday, we'll be teaching you how you can never ever lose your money as a trader. We didn't say lose a trade. Anybody can lose a trade, but that you will lose your money, no. We will show you. We'll be doing that by, I think that's by Friday. We'll be having a training on that. All right. Thank you so much. To start, how much to start investing? For the investing, the minimum we have is $200 for our investment platform. For our investment platform is $200. Tomorrow, we're going to show you how you can open your account so that you can join the investment platform. All right. We show you how you can open your account to join the investment platform. Are you going to be trading for us? Yes, that's what the copy trade. We say we will not trade for you. You will copy our trade. You will put your money with the broker, maybe $200, $1,000, $10,000. You will copy that account that I showed you. The person is just copying us now. It's just copying us and making. The lady does not know how to trade, but she just connected our account to our account and copied us. That's all. Okay, Colin said you took the training well. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, how much does it cost to copy a trade? It does not cost you anything. It's free of charge. Copying, just know how to copy. All you need to do, just connect your account to our account. That is all. See, ladies and gentlemen, when we are talking in Rich Vision, we don't, maybe there, somebody said there must be something behind. There must be something behind. There's nothing behind anything here. It is, we've told you as it is. You copy, we trade, you fund your account, $1,000, just copy us. The only thing is this, at the end of the trading session, after 1 month, after 30 days, that we have made sure we have made money for you, we will now share profit with you. 60-40. You will collect 60%, we will collect 40%. Remember, you do not pay any registration fee. You did not pay anything, no subscription, no nothing. We will just share the profit. Now, when we share the profit, the good thing which we are going to be showing you later as you join us, we're going to be showing you Rich Vision, even the 40% that we are collecting, how we are giving it out to our members to empower our members. So that's it. Someone say, how much is $200 converted to Naira? Well, go to the Aboki around you. I know the exchange, or the Bureau change. I know exchange is currently at about 480, 475, 480. But I just encourage you, just do 100,000 Naira and then do your stuff. We show you more opportunities. Okay. I think from what I see, there is no more question. There's no more question here. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a big thank you. If you got some vital, at least you got some information tonight, and you think it's a good start for you, just type great. Just type great. If you got some information and you think this, what you started tonight, at least I got something that I did not know before, or I got more confidence, or whatsoever, just type great in the chat box. Please, I need to link my account to the game. Great. Okay, awesome. Great. Please, I need the link to link my account with Rich Academy to enable to activate my. Okay, for you that want to activate your investment, don't worry. We are going to be getting you on that. Okay, Francisca said, can I start with $100? Oh, we wish we can start with $100, but the standard there for investment account is $200. Do you understand? We wish we could do that, but it's just let's start with 200. 200. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Someone is astonishing, great, awesome, awesome. So ladies and gentlemen, we'll be looking forward to meeting you in the class tomorrow. If there's anything you can do, please. Okay, all right, let's do this. Now, for those of you who, okay, I think we could just do this right away. Thank you, Mr. Kunle. For those of you that we want to be, you want to get involved in the trading, sorry, in the investment, because I'm just being told that there are some people that just want to do the investment, they might not really do the class. So you that want to do the investment, please get in touch with this number. Get in touch with this number. Okay, let me bring it up. Let me share my screen here. You just get in touch with this number right away. Revision training. Where is it? Okay. You get in touch with this number and just type, I am interested. I am interested. We will show you some other things, so you will get some other, we have car and things, a lot of things, but let's just do this first. So, see this one here. When you get on that thing, to sign up, contact, you have to contact this number. Just send by WhatsApp, I am interested. When you said, I am interested, when you send it to this number, we will add you to a group of the people that are interested in this in the investment platform. Just send a WhatsApp message to this number 08059995955. I think we just had to do that because I know some people, they just want to do the investment. They might not really be talking about the training. But for those of you that want to do the trading, don't worry, you will get to hear more of this as we go on. Tomorrow, I will show you some other benefits, how you make money with Rich Vision on the academy. In our academy, how you make money by just investing, by copying our trades. Mr. Kule, is there any other thing that I missed, sir? Is there any other thing?
Perfect day today.
Okay, awesome.
It's
awesome.
very good day.
Awesome. So thank you, sir. You'll be hearing more from Mr. Kule tomorrow. I can't wait for that time. It's going to be a wonderful session. Those of us that want to learn the nitty-gritty of this market, please don't miss the class tomorrow. For those of you that want to do the investment, send a message to that number and we will attend to you there. God bless you. Do have a wonderful night rest. See you tomorrow. God bless you. Bye-bye.